So I see these eccentric trainers, they look really cool, but they're really costly. They're about £2,000, and I really don't see where the cost is involved with them. So I've made a prototype. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry, I'm gonna flip the camera around this way so it's just easier. So, like I said, got the bolt, got the bearings, got the caster wheel. The flywheel is wood. This is just temporary, just to get proof of concept. We've got plastic washer in here, and we have another bearing here. Again, probably not necessary. And then a fly lock on here. I've drilled a hole here and a hole here, and that is through the wheel. If you can see that in there, that's through the wheel to hold that and connect that to the wheel. And then this is just a strap which already has a stitch there. What I've got is another bolt through there. So that's that bolt there, through there on this. And then we will wind this up. So that's winding up nicely. Then you pull, it rotates. The harder you pull, that flywheel doesn't have enough inertia to really properly go for it, but it provides proof of concept on the back. So guys, that's my prototype for the Eccentric trainer. It's got a wooden flywheel. Like I said, I need to change that over to a metal one. It maybe needs some sort of safety stopping mechanism, but you can remove the bolt and you can put it at the bottom. And you can change the angle of it so you could do squats with it, which is what a lot of these eccentric trainers do. And then you can use it for pushing and pulling items with a different strap, different handle. But that was just a quick prototype, just a version 1. I'll be making a version 2 or a kind of more finished product, and I'll be popping that up too. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, hit like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.